Bienvenidos a la clase de español. I am so glad you're here. I'm Senora Cairns, and I'm here to welcome you to this virtual Spanish class. Thank you for taking time out of your day and evening to watch this video. This is my 15th year of teaching Spanish. I have a Bachelor's of Arts in Spanish Language and Literature from Western and a Master's in the Arts of Teaching from Seattle Pacific University. The love of Spanish language and culture that I have has taken me around the world to Bolivia, Peru, Spain, Mexico. To learn a language, it takes time of study and also living in a country where people speak the language you want to learn every day. I was able to do that for 2 years. I studied abroad through Western Washington University in Morelia, Michoacan. What's it like in class? There'll be projects, songs, destinos, telenovela, pair work games, quizzes, tests, and música miércoles, where we listen to modern songs on Wednesdays. What about grades? There's quizzes and tests, that's under assessments. Writing and speaking production, where they are demonstrating what they can do with the written and spoken language, is 35%. Reading and listening cultural comprehension, demonstrating what they can comprehend through the written word, listening to the spoken word, and understanding the culture and learning about the different countries is 35% of the grade. What do we use to learn? Among many other resources, we'll use a textbook, Realidades, the workbook, and composition notebooks for notes. Note-taking is an important skill, and this is how students will learn their grammar and their vocabulary and practice using it. They'll be talking with partners and they'll be writing down things they've created in Spanish. Things to look for from your student: a workbook, a verb chart, studying a little bit every night. The access to the textbook is the form of a PDF, which is on Schoology. Schoology is an important website that has homework and homework helps. Synergy or Parent View, Student View has your student current grades. There's also Tarea, resources on my webpage and Schoology, and students will be studying for quizzes and tests. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. The best way to get hold of me is with my email. Here's the main office phone, and I do have a website. Thank you so much for the time you've taken tonight to get to know a little bit about your student Spanish class. Adios.